Hi everyone, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to customize app icons on iPhone. Personalizing your app icons gives your phone a unique look and helps match your style. So, let's get started on how to customize app icons on iPhone. Before you begin, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18. You can check this by going to Settings, then tap on Generals, and tap on the Software Update option. If your iPhone is up to date, then tap and hold on to any empty space on your home screen. Now, tap on the Edit button from the top left corner of your screen. From the options provided, tap on Customize. Here, you can modify the size of your app icons by selecting small or large. You can also adjust the appearance of the icons by selecting one of the four options: light, dark, automatic, and tinted. And this is how you can customize app icons on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.